Now we are into the concept videos of cell, the unit of life. This chapter is in such a way that you know everything, yet we have to see each point to a lot of precision and beyond what you know. We have an introduction in this lesson about the cell. What is cell? What are the types of the cell? And this slide mentions two types of cells can be distinguished: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. The word karyo here means nucleus across biology. Prokaryote means cell with primitive nucleus. Eukaryote means cell with developed nucleus. The difference between both of them is nuclear membrane. In prokaryote, genetic material is in open cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cell, genetic material is in a well-defined nuclear membrane. This is the difference between those two. To speak at a definition level, I'm going to share few of the other differences between those two. You can see here prokaryotic cell versus eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells don't possess nucleus and membrane bound organelles, whereas eukaryotic cell possesses membrane bound organelles including nucleus. So the difference is not nuclear membrane, the difference is membrane. In eukaryote, we see membrane bound organelles. Membrane bound organelles, out of which nucleus is important, so we name the cell after nuclear membrane. Chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, all the membrane bound organelles are eukaryote and membrane is eukaryotic character. 0.222 micrometers in diameter, 10 to 100 micrometers in diameter. So we are still speaking about a spherical shape of the cell. Have no true nucleus, no nuclear membrane or nuclei. For me, anything which is called as a nucleus and a prokaryote is mismatch. Let it be membrane, let it be nucleoplasm, let it be nucleolus, let it be the histones. All these will differ from prokaryotes. Consists of a single circular DNA molecule in the nucleoid. Consists of multiple linear chromosomes. Prokaryote has limited genetic material in the form of a circle, whereas eukaryote has more genetic material which organize into chromosomes during cell division. Linear. Membrane bound organelles are absent or present. Flagellae are made up of two proteins in prokaryote. Some cells without cell wall contain flagella. So the prokaryotic flagella and eukaryotic flagella are totally different. Eukaryotic flagella is membrane bound. The cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. If a eukaryotic cell has a cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, chitin, pectin. You would have studied this when you read Whittaker's classification. Carbohydrates and sterols are not found in the plasma membrane. Carbohydrates and sterols. Sterol means a lipid. The prokaryote is small in size, eukaryote is large in size. Cell division occurs through binary fission. Cell division occurs through mitosis. Binary fission is also a kind of mitosis only, but it is a crude mitosis which does not have a precision like eukaryotic cell. These are the differences, but I left the space behind beside this slide because I want to say what is common to them. Ribosomes are common to them. I see ribosomes in prokaryote also. I see ribosomes in eukaryote also. Many a times I see students carrying a myth about ribosomes also have a membrane. No. Ribosomes are amembranous structures. If it is present in prokaryote also, they don't have a membrane. If it is present in eukaryote also, they don't have a membrane. Maybe the size, the structure, the function may differ, but there is no membrane. This is one important point. Ribosome does protein synthesis in prokaryote also. Ribosome does protein synthesis in eukaryote also. Ribosomes are common. Genetic material is common. Cell wall is common. I have only animal cells without cell wall in eukaryotes. So apart from the characters which are common, the major difference is the flagella, the membrane bound structure, the genetic material is more and linear which forms into chromosome. Because the genetic material is more, that cell division is more precise and definite. So I call it as mitosis. Binary fission is called as amitosis. It don't follow the rules and regulations properly. Got it? Yes.